Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just click down here, click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. It's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just click on this sign. Then like you see, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on notification, just click on it. You come to next step here, come here to Autophagy here, start just clicking this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you agree, that's all. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.